Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see the MCQ related with geotechnical engineering. So the first question, the ratio of the volume of air voids to the volume of total void is known as. So option A, air content, option B, percentage of air voids, option C, percentage of voids, option D, porosity. So the correct answer is option A, air content is the correct answer. So if case they are asking volume of voids to the total volume is called porosity. Okay, so here the volume of air voids to the total volume. Okay, so volume of air voids divided by total volume is called air content. Okay. Next question, the neutral stress in soil mass is option A, force per neutral area, option B, force per effective area, option C, stress taken by the pore water pressure, option D, stress taken by the solid particles. So the correct answer is option C, stress taken by the pore water pressure. So there is a force, that is sigma equal to total stress equal to effective stress plus pore water pressure, that is neutral pressure. Okay, so the neutral pressure is called the pressure taken by stress taken by the pore water. So that is gamma W into height of the thickness of the soil layer. Okay. Next question, hydrometer readings are corrected for option A, temperature correction, option B, meniscus correction, option C, dispersing agent correction, option D, temperature, meniscus and dispersing agent correction. Okay, so the correct answer is option D. So in hydrometer readings we have to correct for three corrections. So first one is temperature, then meniscus correction, after that dispersing agent correction. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Next question, the angle of internal friction is least for option A, angular grained loose sand, option B, angular grained dense sand, option C, round grained loose sand, option D, clays. So the correct answer is option D, clays. Next question, dispersed type of soil structure in an arrangement comprising particle having option A, face to face or parallel orientation, option B, edge to edge orientation, option C, edge to face orientation, option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option A, face to face or parallel orientation. Next question, the coefficient of compressibility of soil is the ratio of option A, stress to strain, option B, strain to stress, option C, stress to settlement, option D, rate of loading to that of settlement. So the correct answer is option B, strain to stress is the correct answer. Next question, the clay is subjected to the pressure in excess to its present overburden is said to be option A, pre-compressed, option B, pre-consolidated, option C, over-consolidated, option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option C, over-consolidated. Next question, physical properties of the permanent which influence permeability are option A, viscosity only, option B, unit weight only, option C, both viscosity and unit weight, option D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option C, both viscosity and unit weight. So the viscosity of the pore fluid is affect the permeability, as well as the unit weight of soil also affect the permeability. Next question, Rankin's theory of active earth pressure assumes option A, soil mass is homogeneous, dry and cohesionless, option B, ground surface is plane which may be horizontal or inclined, option C, back of the wall is vertical and smooth. So option D, all the above. So above three assumptions are correct in the Rankin's theory. So the option D, all the above is the correct answer. Next question, for testing a saturated clay for shear strength, the test recommended is option A, direct shear test, option B, triaxial compression test, option C, unconfined compression test, option D, all the above. So the correct answer is option C, unconfined compression test, the correct answer. Next question, which of the following clay behave like a dense sand? Option A, over consolidated with clay with a higher over consolidation ratio, option B, over consolidated clay with low over consolidation ratio, option C, normally consolidated clay, option D, under consolidated clay. So the correct answer is option A, over consolidated clay with higher over consolidation ratio. Next question, during seepage through a soil, direction of seepage is always option A parallel to equipotential line, option B perpendicular to the streamline, option C perpendicular to the equipotential line, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option C perpendicular to the equipotential line. Okay, so the flow line is always perpendicular to the equipotential line. Okay, so that is called flow net. Next question, the property of soil which allows it to be deformed rapidly without rupture, elastic rebound and also a volume change is known as option A porosity, option B plasticity, option C permeability, option D ductility. So the correct answer is option B plasticity. Next question, failure of stability of slopes generally occurs along option A slip plane, option B a horizontal surface, option C a curved surface, option D all the surface. So the correct answer is option C a curved surface. Next question, soil containing organic matters option A are of spongy nature, option B swell with decrease of moisture, option C shrink with increase of moisture content, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is the soil containing organic matter are of spongy nature. So option A is the correct answer. Next question, buoyant unit weight equals the saturated density option A multiplied by the unit weight of water, option B divided by the unit weight of water, option C plus unit weight of water, option D minus unit weight of water. So the correct answer is option D minus unit weight of water. So gamma submerged equal to gamma saturation minus gamma W. Next question, Skimpton's pore pressure coefficient B for saturated soil is option A 1, option B 0, option C between 0 and 1, option D greater than 1. So the correct answer is option A 1. Next question, the method of slice is applicable to option A homogeneous soil, option B stratified soil, option C saturated soils, option D non-uniform slopes. Option A the correct answer, option A homogeneous soil is the correct answer. Next question, the angle that Coulomb's failure envelope make with the horizontal is called option A cohesion, option B angle of internal friction, option C angle of repose, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option A cohesion is the correct answer. Next question, the compression index of the soil option A decrease with increasing in the liquid limit, option B increasing with the increasing in liquid limit, option C decrease with increasing in plastic limit, option D is not related to the plastic limit. So the correct answer is option B increasing with the increasing in liquid limit. Next question, if the coefficient of the active pressure Ka is 1 by 3 and the coefficient of passive earth pressure is option A 1 by 3, option B 2 by 3, option C 1, option D 3. Ka is 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi and Kp is 1 plus sin phi divided by 1 minus sin phi. So the Ka equal to 1 divided by Kp. So here Ka is 1 by 3. So the 3 is the correct answer. Next question, the soil moisture driven by of heat is called option A free water, option B hygroscopic water, option C gravity water, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option B hygroscopic water.